Hi friends, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. By the grace of God, I am also doing well. Friends, today I'm gonna share a recipe with you guys. I hope you would like that and you must try that after watching this video till the end if you are a bambooshoot. So, first ingredient of this recipe is chicken. I took around 250 gram chicken. And the next ingredient is bamboo shoot. Among the spices, I took 1 onion cut into slices, 4-5 green chili, 1 piece of ginger, 5-6 pieces of garlic, then a few leaves of curry leaf and dhania leaf. Then among the veggies, I took 1 medium-sized potato, 1 tomato, 1 small piece of carrot cut into slices all together. Here for this recipe I have used pressure cooker as my utensil and the induction. You can use other utensil and gas stove also. सबसे पहले you take around 300 to 400 ml of water in the pressure cooker, then let it boil for some time. By the time the water gets boiled, you do one thing. You do grind the garlic and the ginger together to make a half paste, not a complete paste, which we used to make in the grinder mixer generally. But here I am using the hand grinder because I need a semi or half paste. After that, you add this paste into the boiled water. Then one by one you add the already cut onion, then all the other ingredients to the boiled water. After adding all the spices and the veggies to the boiled water, now let it boil again for 2 to 3 minutes all together. Now it's time for adding the main ingredient to this combination, that is the bambooshoot and the chicken. Once you have added all the ingredients together, now it's time for adding the salt. You can add around 1.5 to 2 spoons of salt in this recipe. After that, you just mixed up all the ingredients, water and the salt nicely for some time. Then close the lid of the pressure cooker and let it boil up to 3 or 4 whistles. So here is your boiled chicken. After that, you can add a little bit of dhania powder and jeera powder, which is optional. You can add it or you may not add it. Then you must add 1 spoon of black pepper, which gives all the flavor to this recipe. Now you add the dhania leaf and the curry leaf to the recipe. After boiling for 5 to 10 more minutes, now you cut down the heat of the induction, then again let it boil for 5 more minutes. So guys, we are done with our today's recipe of chicken boiled with bamboo shoot. If you are a bamboo shoot lover too, you can try it at your home sometimes. I swear it was healthy and tasty that I have ever tried in my life. And thank you so much for bearing me till this end. And if you like this video and if it helps, please do subscribe my channel and share the recipe with your friends.